Not long ago, in 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, which quickly ignited the wave of artificial intelligence. One of the driving forces behind it is Nvidia, the hottest company in the tech industry today. This company started with graphic chips and was initially dedicated to the gaming industry. No one could have imagined that Nvidia, 30 years later, has become a crucial piece of the AI wave and even has transformed into the second largest company in the US in terms of market value. Nvidia has been one of the most dazzling stars in US stocks in recent years. Its stock price increased more than 32 times in the past 5 years, becoming the first semiconductor company in history to enter the $3 trillion club. In the US stock market, Nvidia surpassed Apple to rank second only to Microsoft, and ahead of other giants such as Google, Amazon, and Meta. So, why is Nvidia being touted by the market? We can see clues from the financial report. Nvidia's total revenue for FY 2024 was $60.9 billion, a historical record, with a year-on-year increase rate of 126%. This can be divided into 4 major businesses, namely, the data center related to artificial intelligence, personal computer video cards, professional visualization, and the automotive field. The highest revenue among them is the data center business. In the financial report for the last quarter of last year alone, the proportion of data center revenue accounted for 80% of the total. The supply chain of the artificial intelligence industry can be divided into the upstream of technology research and development, the midstream of manufacturing and assembly, and the downstream of service applications. The computing technology and components upstream are the core of the supply chain and the link with the highest added value. The processor, as a key computing engine, is the battlefield Nvidia is focusing on. Speaking of processors, people usually think of the central processor and Intel, the king of CPUs. In contrast, Nvidia's strength lies in the graphics processor, GPU. GPU was a result for a specific purpose, such as providing excellent visual effects for games, etc. However, the arrival of the AI era has conferred different values on the GPU. The characteristic of the GPU is that it can decompose relatively simple tasks into different steps and speed up the overall operation through synchronous processing. This characteristic is crucial for AI operation. ChatGPT is a great example. According to OpenAI's co-founder, Ilya Sutskever, they originally intended to create a computer with learning capabilities. Still, the research team quickly encountered bottlenecks in data processing until they realized that the GPU had the potential to increase operation speed and managed to scale up training. Nvidia quickly grasped this news at that time, assigned 3,000 top talents to rush to create an AI-specialized computer, equipped with their latest GPU products, and gave the computer to OpenAI in 2016, enabling OpenAI to make significant progress. The command of key technologies allows Nvidia to become the biggest winner in the wave of artificial intelligence. To solidify its moat, this company constantly challenges technological limits. In March 2024, Nvidia launched a brand new GPU architecture, which was tailor-made by TSMC. The exclusive process is touted as the next-generation AI superchip, attracting major companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta. However, the GPU market is highly competitive. Why can Nvidia occupy a dominant position? Everything has to do with the company's development route. Established in 1993, they were born in a time when Nintendo just launched the first handheld game console, Game Boy. A year after their birth, Sony officially issued a PS console. In the era when video games were all over the world, Nvidia set its main battlefield in the game and multimedia market. After several years of research and development, they successfully invented the graphics processor in 1999. Although Nvidia became an important supplier of major game companies by doing so, it was seen as a peripheral in the chip design field. Unlike Intel, which led the central processor and was able to board the sales train of personal computers. As early as soon after Nvidia launched the initial GPU, many people in the industry realized that this unique mode of operation will have broader uses. However, no one could clearly point out the direction of development at that time. Then, Nvidia made a critical decision, which was to extend the GPU's computing capabilities to scientific research and establish the unified computing architecture CUDA for this purpose. According to Nvidia, this is a programming model that allows developers to use the GPU more easily, and Nvidia builds its own exclusive ecosystem with it. With the advent of AI models gradually moving towards the application field, and the changing demand for chips, Nvidia's GPU has shown its advantages in AI processing and has become one of the necessary tools for AI computing. Technical advantages are one thing, and another crucial factor is that Nvidia has made the right inroads at the right time. The tide of AI has just formed around 2016. Google has launched the Tensor Processing Unit, TPU, specifically for its software framework TensorFlow, while Nvidia focused on attracting AI startups and scientific research institutions with its CUDA platform and lending them Nvidia's cloud server resources. This critical difference in strategic layout made Nvidia one step ahead. Nvidia's strategic layout and unique technical advantages have allowed it to seize the opportunity in this AI tide, achieving amazing results. Its stock has risen crazily, and its market value has become the second largest in the US, trailing only Microsoft. Yet, its future remains bright. As AI continues to advance and the applications of machine learning expand, the demand for Nvidia's GPUs is expected to continue to rise. The importance of Nvidia's GPUs for AI and machine learning is undeniable. It offers unrivaled power and efficiency for training neural networks and running AI workloads, and it has become the de facto standard in industries ranging from healthcare to autonomous vehicles. With the rise of real-time ray tracing in video games and the push towards more photorealistic graphics, their gaming division continues to produce impressive results as well. Despite intense competition from other chip manufacturers like AMD and Intel, Nvidia remains confident in their performance and are bullish about the future growth of their GPUs in AI applications. As the company looks forward, they are committed to pushing the limits of what's possible with GPUs, investing heavily in research and development to create the hardware that will power the AI applications of the future. Each chapter in Nvidia's history has been marked by an unwavering focus on pushing the boundaries of technology and a deep understanding of how their products can create value for their customers. Time and time again, they have proven to be able to anticipate trends and get ahead of them. As the world moves deeper into the era of AI, Nvidia is poised to stay ahead of the curve and continue to be a driving force in shaping the future. Indeed, Nvidia's role as a leading player in the AI and tech sector cannot be understated. But its success is not without its challenges. The company remains under pressure from various areas, from supply chain issues impacting their ability to meet demand, to regulatory scrutiny over their proposed acquisitions. Still, Nvidia seems undeterred, forging ahead with their ambitious plans for the future. The company recently unveiled plans for a new kind of processor dubbed the Grace CPU aimed at high-performance computing. In a world increasingly reliant on big data, this processor is poised to significantly ramp up computing power and speed, giving a further competitive edge to Nvidia. Moving beyond hardware, Nvidia is also making waves with software innovations. The company has introduced a platform known as Nvidia Omniverse, described as a kind of metaverse for engineers. This platform allows 3D designers to collaborate in a shared virtual space, optimizing design and simulation processes, demonstrating that Nvidia's innovation isn't confined to physical processors but extends into imaginative software solutions. Considering the volatile nature of the tech industry, anticipating what's next for a company like Nvidia isn't easy. However, looking at its track record, in the heart of the ongoing digital transformation, many expect Nvidia to continue at the forefront of AI and GPU-related technologies. As AI's adoption grows in every sector from healthcare to entertainment, and from autonomous vehicles to climate modeling, the need for what Nvidia specializes in, pumping out computational-heavy tasks in split seconds, will likely endure, if not increase. Nvidia's story is a testament to how identifying, adapting, and innovating within technological trends can create astronomical success. It's a story of vision, seeing potential where others saw obstacles, and of tenacity, holding steady through the tech industry's ups and downs. As we watch the continued advancement of AI, cutting-edge graphics, and virtual reality, Nvidia will likely be an essential part of the narrative, propelling us into a future where technology continuously redraws the boundaries of possibility. In a nutshell, being at the convergence of some of the most exciting areas in technology, including AI, machine learning, gaming, and visualization, Nvidia is truly a technological titan making a significant impact on our world and likely to continue to do so in the foreseeable future.